Literally every single eyeshadow palette comes with at least one color that you feel like you would never use because it's too dark. So today I'm going to show you how to use an actual black eyeshadow to create this extremely gorgeous everyday look. It works with any eye shape, any eye color, and just every day. You can just wear it every single day. It is so beautiful, so understated, and it's a really easy look that you can keep in your back pocket. And you will never have to be afraid of dark eyeshadow again. So let's do it together. I try to use every single color because I bought the palette. I want to use every color. Okay, today we're actually going to go one step further and we're going to use black eyeshadow because black eyeshadow, I think, like most of the time when somebody gets it in a palette, they do not use it. And truly, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Black eyeshadow actually is very versatile and it's a great tool to use just to add depth and dimension and really just to give yourself thicker lashes, more shape to the eye, and it's just something that's really easy and can look effortless and flawless. So today, let's do black eyeshadow. Okay, I actually haven't thought this through too much, so I think that's a great thing that we can just wing it. All right, so I'm just gonna take like a brown eyeshadow, something that's a little bit shimmery, something that I can easily put on my eye. So I already actually put down the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick as a base in the color Bone. This one that I always use is here. This one, not that one. Okay, so put that down all over, and I'm going to do both eyes this time, which I never do. So take whatever eyeshadow you want to do, and I'm going to go here at the lashes. Right, so in saying that, I'm going to kind of pull it out just a little bit here, and then I'm going to maybe go like this, and I'm just going to start kind of sketching it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I do know that I want to go underneath my eye as well. So I'm going to kind of connect it like this. I do. I'm gonna do it again. I like these. Alright. And this is a very sheer eyeshadow. This is the Clinique Shadow Play eyeshadow stick in Double Latte. Look at this. Don't worry. Alright, and then just take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out. I get so many compliments on my makeup when I just keep my makeup into the crease and I don't actually put it like here on top of my brow bone. So I was thinking maybe I should do that today, even though I don't see the appeal. But how funny, people see you in different ways. All right, and look at how I'm just blending it all out. You do not have to have anything complicated on your eyes or in your face. Any type of makeup, it really does not have to be complicated. You know what I'm saying? I think doing everything with intention and blending everything out so that it looks very natural and lived in, I think you can never go wrong with that. I like to take my finger kind of like this too. Look at that. Look at that beautiful shape. Look at the difference. All right, and then you can just do that again to the same side. Of course, when I'm not actually filming hair, I do both eyes. Like, you know what I mean? I go like this, then I blend both, then I, work like that. It's easier that way. I recommend it that way. But, do as I say, not as I do. So we're going to do this again. We're going to, take it out a little bit. We're going to take it up. It's okay. It's all right. Going to go underneath. Don't worry, like I said, start out with shadows like this when you're playing around with stuff because, like I said, this shadow is super sheer. It's not going to be hard to blend out. It's also not going to be too harsh to where it just looks dirty or it starts to look like it's unnatural. All right, I'm going to blend it again. Blend. Going all the way through, blending it. Easy, blending it down here. Easy. Blend it together, blend it out. Blend it up, blend it around. You know what I'm saying? Just blend it. That's it. On the bottom as well. You don't have to go on the bottom. You can keep it closer to your lash line if you don't want to go that far down. Then you can take, say, like your eyeshadow brush that you did your base with, and you can just go like this. I have like a little bit of a high point here, so maybe I can go here, make it a little bit higher here. Whatever you want to do, however you want to make it. You know what I'm saying? Make whatever shape you want to make. All right, looks pretty good. Looks pretty even. I hope so. I got some not good light here. Okay, so I'm just gonna you can take any brush that you want. You can even use like a Q-tip or a little sponge applicator, anything, but I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna blend out with this one. All right, I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow, like actually black, black, black. All right, and I'm just going to go like this, and I'm gonna actually press. So I'm just gonna do a little press here. Instead of using eyeliner, I'm just gonna press like into my lashes, if you can see. So taking the brush, and I'm like kind of pushing my eyelashes down and then just pressing. But I like to do it when my eye is closed, obviously, because I don't want to poke myself. All right? And then you know what I'm gonna do too is I'm gonna pull it out a little bit. I'm just gonna follow this shape and see what we can do. Take it here like this too, and then I'm just gonna blend it up. So I'm just kind of going in little like circular strokes like this. Look at that. Wait. Okay, we're gonna do it again on this side. So I'm just gonna close my eye, kind of pull my eye up, so pull my brows up like this. I'm just gonna go like this. If you can't get that close to your eyelashes yet, you will, trust me. You will be able to do it. It just takes practice. But if you can't yet, then just get as close as you can and then just blend down and then blend up. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. So I'm going to pull it out. Let's pull it out. Wow. I'm not doing anything crazy. I am not exuding any sort of wonderful artistic ability. Thank you. I'm simply just placing it where I need to place it and then just pulling it up and out. Look at this. Short little strokes, pulling it up. And then you're not going to be able to tell where the darkness starts and where it ends. You see that? That's something, all right? You can blend it up a little bit more. You can blend it out a little bit. You can make it darker. You can make it lighter. Stunning. And then for me, because I still like something to look like very natural and kind of like blown out, I'm just going to take my same blending brush and I'm just going to go like this again. Just like this. Just because I really want the darkest part. I want the deepest, blackest part to be at my eyelashes. I want my eyelashes to look thicker, and then I want it to just kind of go like that. And then I'm thinking to myself, you know, should we do dark on the bottom? But I think we shouldn't. I think we should just go in again with the brown, that bronze, that first color that we used. So we've only used 2 colors. And look at what we've created. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, I'm just going to go like this again. Because really, I mean, we truly don't need much. We don't need much. We're just maybe going to work. Maybe we're just experimenting with darker colors. And we just want to see kind of what we can create. But you really don't need to make it overcomplicated. We're going to simplify it a lot. All right, I'm going to go like this. And then I'm actually going to do mascara, and that's it. I'm going to choose black mascara. Okay, I did some brows, and I only did top mascara. I'm going to do bottom mascara, but I just want you to see just how versatile this look is. And we only used 2 eyeshadows. One regular bronze color and one black. Any dark brown, any charcoal gray, any deep color that you feel like you just would never use it on a daily basis. You can just see exactly how beautiful and versatile it can be. And I never once ever put it in my crease. I didn't put it on my bottom lash line. I simply kept it at my lash line and worked my way up just a little bit. But you can see, you would never be able to tell that I'm wearing black eyeshadow. This is the look with bottom mascara. I have nothing in my waterline, just letting you know that's just my eye skin color. But this is what it looks like. So simple, so easy, and it works with any eye shape, any eye color, any eyeshadow that you want to use. If it's an eyeshadow stick, or if it's an eyeshadow that's a powder, or even a cream, you know, just really play around with it. See exactly what you can create. It's really all about just shading and dimension. It doesn't have to be something that's super smoky. I think this is beautiful. I think it's very wearable. I would not call this a crazy smoky eye. It's just a little bit smoky. All right, guys, if you try this look, please let me know. I hope it helps. I hope you love it. Have a great day. Bye.